Make a great choice today with
the 2025 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, panoramic roof, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, tires, rear all-season, privacy glass. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.